sure you got the right Oscar Rothman. Treblinka...
hinders your performance. So just stop.
Moments you can't bring yourself to disturb it. And then you think of the choice hops and 7 kinds of barley that give Miller Lite its distinct flavor. You remember Miller Lite is brewed and filtered 3 times for exceptional smoothness. And you remember how smooth feels on the back of your throat. And that's when you lift that picture-perfect Pilsner glass full of Miller Lite to your lips, and when art and beauty lose hands down to the great taste of a true Pilsner beer.
Miller Brewing Company, Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
51 laps remain in the Coca-Cola 600. The race leader is Bobby Labonte, chasing a victory and an extra $1 million. This is the Performance Racing Network.
Kicks 96. A new day dawns in Ripley, and Mark Down has found his way back to the main building in Tom Peden country.
Did you miss me, Tom?